Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make smoked pork rib adobo. We're going to take pork spare ribs and cook it low and slow on a charcoal smoker. So here are the ingredients: a rack of spare ribs, 1 cup pineapple juice, some kosher salt, some ground pepper, garlic powder, and half a cup of the adobo sauce. You'll see a link to the adobo sauce recipe in the description. Alright, so let's get started. So this is a rack of pork spare ribs. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the membrane. You don't use a butter knife to get this out. I'm just going to use my fingers. Yep. There you go. Now we're going to coat this with olive oil. This is going to act as a binder to help the spices stick to the meat. You can use anything you want. You can use, some people use mustard, some people use water. I just prefer using extra virgin olive oil. Alright, it's nice and coated. Now we're going to add a rub. This is my adobo rub. This is just equal parts kosher salt, ground pepper, and garlic salt. All right, I'm going to let this rest for a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and get the smoker started. All right, I think the smoker's up to temp. We're trying to smoke this at 250. Let's put this right here. So every half hour or so, we spray the ribs with some pineapple juice. Okay, it's been 2.5 hours. I think these ribs are ready to be wrapped. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're now going to add half a cup of pineapple juice. And we're going to let this meat side down. Then we're going to tightly seal this in foil. I'll put this right back in the smoker. Okay, let's check these out. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes. I think these are ready. All right, these ribs are ready to be sauced. Alright, let's go ahead and put some sauce. This is the adobo sauce. That we use for a lot of our recipes. You'll see a link in the description for the adobo sauce recipe. This back on the smoker. Okay, so we're going to put the ribs back in the smoker uncovered. Let it cook for about 30 more minutes. Okay, it's been 35 minutes and the ribs are done. Let's get them off the smoker. Alright, now comes my favorite part, the eating part. Let's try out one of these bad boys. Mmm. Oh my god, it's got a wonderful smoked flavor. I really taste the adobo sauce. Very tender. Mm. Very tender and juicy. Look at that. Comes clean off the bone. And that is my recipe for smoked pork rib adobo. Please make this at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.